part 2 video of components of food. In this session, you will be learning about micronutrients, importance of nutrients, nutrients that boost the immune system, balanced diet, deficiency disease, summary, and you will be doing an activity based on the concepts that you have learned. Now let's move on to the session. Before moving on to today's session, let's recall the concepts that you have learned in last session. In last session, you have learned about the components of food and nutrients and the types of nutrients, and also we have done few tests for the presence of starch, protein and fat content in the food. Nutrients. The nutrients are the major component which are needed to the function of body. These include vitamin, protein, carbohydrates, fat, water content in the food. And these nutrients are helpful in the growth of the body and also it helps in the function of body. Now let's move on to today's session. Micronutrients. The micronutrients are the major group of nutrients that is needed for our body. They include vitamin and minerals. Vitamins. These are the necessary for energy production, immune system and other functions that are helpful in the function of our body. Vitamins are the organic compounds that are made from animal and plant source products. This boosts the immune system in our body. Minerals. Minerals are found in food like cereals, bread, meat, fish, vegetables, and these play the vital role in muscle contraction, weight balance and many more things. Now let's learn about the importance of nutrients. The nutrients help in reducing the risk of some diseases which include heart disease, diabetes, stroke and some kind of cancers. The nutrients also reduces the high blood pressure and lowers the cholesterol and improves the energy level in our body. The nutrients that helps us in improving the immune system and also fight against the illness. While talking about the nutrient, the water is also the essential nutrient in the food, which delivers the food and the needed nutrients to the cells and the body. Now let's learn the nutrients that boost the immune system. Here are few examples which state about the vitamins, minerals and also some vegetables which boost the immune system. Coming on to the citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which helps in boosting the immune system. This increases the white blood cell and helps in the boosting the immune system. This includes grapefruit, orange, lemon, and etc. At least 75% of citrus content to be taken into our daily food. Broccoli, which is supercharged with vitamin A, C, E, fiber and many more antioxidants in it. This helps in improving the immune system. Garlic, it helps in lowering the blood pressure and also it reduces the risk of heart disease. At least 1 clove of garlic to be used in our regular food. Ginger, which reduces the sore throat and inflammatory illness and also lowers the cholesterol level in body. Spinach, which is rich in beta-carotene that helps in boosting the immune system. There are some other food which helps in the other vitamin and minerals like egg, peanut, cereals, squash seeds are used in functioning the damaged tissues. Lady's finger, it is good in fiber content and also it helps in the digestion of food and growth of the body. The mint, it is used to cleanse the palate and fight against the cold and helps in digestion. So students, these are some examples of the nutrients that we take regularly. Based on this, you are going to make an activity of few vegetables that are rich in vitamin, mineral, carbohydrates, fat and other nutrients that are present in it. And also you are going to write the health benefits of the vegetables. Take for example 10 vegetables and write their vitamin, protein content in it and also mention the health benefits of it. The next is complete diet. Complete balanced diet. This should have a sufficient amount of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral and also it should contain the water content into it. It should have a good amount of fiber content, for example, pulses, groundnut, soybean, sprouted seed, banana, spinach, etc. These balanced food helps us to boost the immune system and also fight against the many diseases, and it prevents us from the disease. If we take too much of fatty foods, and we may be ending in suffering from obesity. Deficiency disease. The deficiency disease that occur due to the lack of nutrients for the long period of time is called as deficiency disease. If suppose we are not taking proper amount of protein content into the food, we may suffer from few diseases, whereas protein is the essential content in our food. We got to know that protein helps in repairing the body tissues, and also it is helpful in fighting against the illness. So a balanced diet should contain of all nutrients into it. If we take good amount of the nutrients into our food, we will not suffer from the disease. Now let's see few examples of disease and disorder that are caused by deficiency of vitamin and minerals. Vitamin A. Deficiency that is occurred due to vitamin A are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, and sometimes complete loss of vision. So if we do not take the food which is rich in vitamin A, and we may end up with loss of vision. Vitamin B1, which causes beriberi, that is of weak muscles and very little energy to do work. Sometimes we may feel tired. It is because of the weak muscles, and there is no proper amount of vitamin B1 into our food. If there is no proper vitamin or the mineral into our food, we may face many kind of disease or disorder in our body. Vitamin C. This causes scurvy with bleeding in the gums and wounds that take longer time to heal. Vitamin D. Rickets, which causes bones soft and bend. We know that we get calcium from milk, and if we don't take proper amount of calcium into our food, we may end up with weak bones and tooth may get decayed. Iodine. If there is no proper iodine content into our food, we get goiter, and which is of glands in the neck, appear swollen, and mental disability in children. Due to the lack of iodine content, some children may get mental disability. Iron. If there is no proper amount of iron into our food, and then we'll feel anemic, which is of weakness. So students, I hope you have got to know about the components of food, what is macronutrient and micronutrient, the importance of nutrients, the nutrients that are helpful in boosting the immune system, the disease that is caused due to the poor diet. So don't waste the food, eat well, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep learning.